it, love?
Onion soup.
Wow. Good luck.
So, sir, this one is your Caesar salad. So, this one is the olive oil. So, we remove the Caesar dressing since it has the anchovy.
So this has nothing there?
Yes, sir.
That's
This is
bland.
olive oil?
Yeah, this
the
is.
olive oil.
That's it?
Yes, sir.
No eggs, no nothing else?
No, no.
Do you have another salad dressing?
Salad dressing.
Yeah.
Dill dressing.
Pardon?
Dill?
Yeah.
Dill.
Oh, no. Do you have
Balsamic or.
Balsamic?
Yeah.
Vinaigrette?
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
So, for the croutons, sir, are you also allergic to the eggs or
No, just like Caesar salad.
Caesar salad? Yeah, okay.
Without anything else,
Yes,
it's
sir.
olive oil.
Yes, so
It's
you
just
want,
so
you want the balsamic? Okay, sir.
do you have anything else?
I will ask the chef.
Yeah.
So I'll get that, sir, and I will inform you what else do you have.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Because that's not Caesar. That's just a dry salad. And to put oil on it is gross.
Well, that's how they do it. So you just need to like make your customization of how you want it.
Caesar salad is anchovies, mayonnaise, eggs.
There's no eggs in Caesar salad.
There's
Huh? There is?
probably,
Kain tayo.
yeah. To just give me olive oil.
Get
without
a
Caesar.
get a chicken here.
You're gonna some of this. Not a French onion soup. This is a soup, onion soup mix, not a French onion soup mix.
Kain. Mix it.
No, this is the problem. French onion soup is the bread, onions, and a thick layer of cheese. They just put onions, with the bread, and a little bit of cheese on it.
That's not a soup.
It's not French onion soup. It's an onion soup.
That's how we do it. So I don't know.
Yeah, so it's like, it's close. It's 60% there.
60% only.
Yeah. So you can't make a dressing. You can't
I
make
don't
the
like that
Caesar-
dressing
You
too.
can't make the Caesar salad dressing without anchovies. Anchovy is one component, which I don't like. So you should be able to make a Caesar salad dressing without it. But it has to be, you have to make it fresh.
Yeah, true. Oh, how you do that? Day 2. Or day 2. We're going to breakfast buffet. That's included in the payment. I need to go back my slipper. That's why I said, why can't I feel the floor? Oh my God, look. I need to change my, it's funny. Lagi na lang nakakalimot. Ayun na, may naglilinis na. Balik lang tayo tayo ng shoe. Ay, ng chinelas. Ay, naku, Jojo. Talaga naman. Okay, let's go. Let's go. They still put it in here, eh? Gosh. You're still very tired. Usually when maybe 2 more days, my love, and I can get back. Aga ng buffet. Our buffet so early, from 6 to 10, and people are still sleeping for sure that time.
It's the usual time.
6 to 10. Oh yeah, over here, the market, right? This is a coffee shop. The croissant. Oh, it's raining. I think it's a rainy day today. Hopefully the weather gets better. Actually not supposed to rain by this time. February should be hot already. Not hot, but not rainy days like this.
Maybe it'll rain.
Oh, smells good.
Really?
Smelling it? No.
I smell it.
You don't?
I smell it. You, it smells good. Me, it smells bad.
You smell terrible. There you go. Chicken muna natin yung food. Then, tsaka pakain.
Hopefully they want to cater to the Western world.
I think they do. It's not only for us. Ooh, so windy.
Yeah. Ooh.
There's the market. Here's the market where buffet is served. Ayan siya. Ayun, oh, windy siya. Good morning.
B4103.
B4103 for a while, sir. Under Miss Manjala.
Yeah.
Table for 2.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Mamaya tignan natin yung food. Ayan, ganito kadami tao. It's already what time? Like 8:30. Pero marami ng tao.
Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please.
Coffee, would you like some? Want coffee? Black coffee, Americano, cappuccino, flat white, latte, latte macchiato, espresso. They also have hot chocolate or coffee.
More the cappuccino.
Cappuccino for you, ma'am.
Brewed coffee. Yeah. You have creamer here, right? Or milk?
Yes, ma'am. We also have here for the egg.
Okay. Okay. Do you want... I'm gonna look, my love.
Yeah, let's go.
Can we leave this one here? No? For sure.
Go first.
Yeah.
Go first.
No, you can go, my love. I think they know. I'll go this way. Mga wine section. Tingnan muna natin yung pagkain. Yung kids corner. Meron silang mga waffles. tuna
Ay, ito ka.
egg sandwich man. In the fruit section. Okay, kuha na tayo. Ating order.
Kasi ano content nila?
Ito ng kanin.
Taot kag ano taot ang dapat ano daw ginawa na kasi kay Dacian ba
I have the tuna sandwich. Japanese karage. Bacon. Alam mo, meron akong gusto rito yung, ano to, pork station. Bella. Gusto niya yun eh.
What's your table number?
Bira naman ako kumain ng hotdog, so mag-hotdog tayo. Oh no. Tingnan mo, oh, may kakanin sila. Oh, I really want that, but maybe I'll go back. Balik tayo, lagay ko muna to.
Hindi ka na ba? Ay, sorry po.
I saw it.
Balikan natin to kasi baka maubos. Favorite ni Jojo to, palitaw. Pero dapat may asukal to. Wala. Try na lang muna natin. Ito. Cheeses. Huh?
Am I missing butter?
Oh, maybe on the pastry, my love. Go to other section. Naghanap siya ng butter. Siguro puntahan ko na rin yan isa para makakain ako ng maayos. Tingnan natin yung pastry section nila. Ayan. Ay, may pandesal, croissant. Oh, masarap na to cinnamon roll. Did you find it?
Yeah.
The butter?
Last place I looked.
Yeah. Yan natin yung butter. Danes. Spanish bread, cheese roll, salad. Okay. Nothing else. Really good. Thank you. Thanks. Oh, ayun yung mga kinuha ko. Ano yung ambience? Ayan. Kain tayo. See the butter?
Okay.
you see all of them. But some of them is in D-Mall on the other side. Bananas. How is it?
Is there salt in there?
You can ask, my love. You can ask them.
Yeah, salt and pepper.
It's not.
Salt, pepper.
Pepper is, I think this.
Oh, I see. Thank you.
Oh my gosh. That's it? You don't have like the... Oh, that's why there's algae, my love, on February because it's still windy. And then, no? Maybe that's how it is. That's why the algae is from March. It's like the weather is so windy today. And you guys yung weather outside. No ketchup?
Don't contact. I suspect it's cooked in
That is pure foods.
like some of my egg sandwich.
Sure. You don't like it? Give me.
It's sweet.
What's the bacon?
They had some. I don't know.
silang, ano ba tawag dito? Palitaw, tsaka ube maha. Sarap. And tayo. Is this in a buffet also, my love? Or you ordered it? Ah, okay. Is a real pineapple?
No, it's calamansi.
Calamansi? What is this, my love?
Lemon.
No, say it.
Lost it.
Is it calamansi? Kain muna. Dami tao pa rin, no? Diba? Ang daming tao. Hindi niya nakita yung kabilang side. Tignan natin. Daming tao. Grabe siya. Oy. Line up. Etong omelette to, hindi nakita ni Dennis.
Chef, may ano dyan? Di ba 21? Halo.
Scrambled. Oh, I need to like. Kailangan isulat mo doon, tapos bigay mo sa kanya. Tapos i-deliver sa'yo. Sabi natin kay Dennis, my love, you need to write it down here for the scrambled egg, and then I'll give it, and then they're gonna deliver it to you. You want some? Oh, we'll do it tomorrow. Ayaw niya na. Okay. I'm gonna get some more here. Nabusog na siya kasi puro tinapay ang kinain. So, balik ako dito. Ito kasi yung na-miss ko, palitaw. Kaya samantalahin na natin. Gusto tayo ng fruits. May hot chocolate sila. Oh, there's congee. There's congee. Congee lang talaga. May champurado din. Chickens. Ay, naglagay ng kanin. Kanina wala na to eh. Hindi na.
Horrible weather at home.
What happened?
80-kilometer wind.
In Canada? Oh,
Toronto.
shoot. So Marjorie's not there yet. I'm calling her. Okay, we're done eating. So what can you say about their buffet at Movenpick?
Generic.
Generic. There's nothing special.
Nothing special. I could have skipped it.
Mahirap pa kainin tong husband ko na to eh. Lahat generic. Ayan. So punta muna kami sa room. And then later we're gonna go to the pool and the beach. So we're gonna change clothes. Masarap naman yung pagkain. Marami namang variation. Mahirap lang talaga pakainin to ever since. Meron siya talagang specific na gusto. Pero overall, para sa mga Filipino and a lot of nandito, na-enjoy naman nila. Talaga lang mahirap pakainin yung asawa. Ayan, hindi siya. Yeah. This is our building, no love? This is where we are. Yeah. Yeah. It's nice when we go, like, maybe on the second floor so you can see the whole island.
Ooh, this weather is not nice. It's raining.
We can have coffee here later.
Yeah, coffee may be good. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's raining now. But that's okay. As long as there's no thunder, we can go in the pool. Busog. Busog, laki ng tiyan. Excuse me. Thank you. Ay, umaambo na siya. Oh, fudge. What's in here? Okay. Oo. Just tell them that we're gonna just change.
Morning.
Good morning. Naglilinis na sila. Not yet.
Is that cabbage just yellow?
Oh, really? What if it started on that side?
Yeah, it's supposed to be 50-50.
Yeah.
50-50. A lot of people don't disturb.
Don't disturb. Ayaw pa disturb kami. Maglan. Ito. She didn't put any. Kamalinis. Hindi pa. Not yet. Yeah. It's okay. We can still...
You're right. The other end.
I told you, my love. Start from the other end. Ay, ang lamig dito.
Well, 50-50 chance. I thought maybe.
Go my room because I need to do... Oh, I need to go also. I'm just gonna stay here. Ito yung balcony namin, oh. Ang kinuha naming room is yung classic. Classic lang for queen bed. Pero parang king yung sa amin. Malaki. Ito yung view namin. Dito kami dumaan kanina. Tapos doon yung market. Yung kinainan namin. Yeah. So maganda naman siya. Overall, okay naman yung move and pick. Hindi pa namin na-explore kasi second day pa lang namin. So, mamaya update ko kayo kung ano pa yung gagawin namin. But yung buffet, kasama yun sa babayaran mo kasi free yung buffet namin everyday. Ayan. Pag may time ako, sabihin ko sa inyo how much per night mamaya. Para may idea kayo kung saan nyo gusto tumuloy dito sa Boracay. Yeah. Yun nga lang, medyo secluded to kasi nasa Station 0 ang Move and Pick. Kasama niya yung Crimson tsaka yung Shangri-La. Tapos yung D-Mall nandun sa Station 2 or 3, magkakasama sila. Mamaya pupunta din kami doon sa D-Mall. Kasi may free shuttle kami dito papuntang D-Mall. Ayan, mamaya update ko kayo. Sulit kami.
Finished B4 or 103, right? It's come to it. Yeah, make it up. You have 2 bottles of water, some more toilet paper, whatever that is. And some
Slippers?
water bottles, toilet paper, TP, toilet paper, bathroom tissue.
What room number, sir?
Okay, 103, welcome to this one here.
4103.
There you are.
Yeah, he needs a lot of water. Maybe 2 pitcher. Thank you.
Bathroom tissue, some napkins, some slippers because they're cold. And maybe
Thank you so much. Thank you. Where's your phone? Okay. So we bought this one sa Canada. $1 something. Tingnan natin kung magkano yan dito. It works. I touch it. You can take pictures as well. You can like easily touch the keypad. Hi, good morning. Ang galing na po good morning. Inahawakan nila yung dibdib nila. Good morning. Like this. Ito try niya. Yeah. Oh, with the case? I don't think it works with the case. I removed my case though. Well, you can maybe. Just press it. Yeah. I think you can because your case is light. Mine is... No, I know how it is because it happened to me as well. So that one, you need to clip it in here.
It's not, it won't seal.
Oh, because of the case. You want to remove your case? That's what I'm asking you. You want me to put it on? You said no.
They rushed me out of the bathroom and you know.
Patulong na. Sarap kasi ng panahon, hindi siya masyadong malamig. Ay, mainit. Kaya ang lakas ng alon. May lakad tayo sa shore. Ayun yung Shangri-La, oh. Sa kabila. Malapit lang. Malaki din pala siya, oh. Ayun, hanggang dun. Sige, lakad ko kayo. Yan si Dennis. Tingnan natin yung tubig. Sarap maglakad. Exercise sa paa. Medyo maambon na. Anyway, it's okay. Ito yung famous ano nila, oh. Ito yung famous door. Pagpasok mo, there you go. Tanga lang. Tapos sa dito, pwede ka magpa-picture. Tingnan nyo, yan yung whole private beach ng Movenpick. Ang ganda niya, malaki. Tsaka ang daming tao. Tingnan natin yung water. Lapit tayo. Tignan nyo naman gano'ng kalakas yung wave. Oh. Pero sabi nga nila walang algae algae. Kasi algae season ngayon eh. Pero tama nga sila dito sa Station Zero wala siya. Oh, tingnan nyo, linis. Excuse me. My God, I'm sorry. Yeah, ayan oh. Wala siya. And the water's really green. Green or blue? Ayan. I think dito sa kabila yan na yung Shangri-La. Tingnan natin kung hanggang saan ng Movenpick. Mula doon sa bato na yon Hanggang, kasi magkahati sila sa private beach eh. Lakad tayo. Yan, para may idea kayo. Ito tayo sa medyo, hindi siya white sand. Pero maganda rin siya. Compared to Station 1, sabi nila white sand tsaka powdery talaga. Ito medyo brownie. Lakad tayo doon. Tignan natin yung tignan natin dito kung ano meron. Buti yun nakapagpahinga si Dennis. Ganda talaga ng tubig, oh. Ang katakot lang lumubog ngayon kasi nga sobrang windy, sobrang wave. Siguro pagkasama kayong kapatid ko pwede. Oh, ano to? May tinidor dyan si Kuya o Pearl. Tingnan natin. Ayan, oh. Parang ayan na ata yung Shangri-La or something. Or Crimson. It's either Shangri-La to or Crimson. Kasi tatlo lang naman sila rito eh. Sa beach na to, hati-hati sila. Oh, look at this. Nasira na dahil. Tingnan natin kung ano to. May nagtitinda eh.
You want pandan?
Oo, ayan siya, oh.
The break. Okay.
Kuya, what kind of pearl is this?
This is fresh water, ma'am.
Fresh water.
Ano po yung mga salt water, ma'am? Yung salty pearl. Add more?
Ano ka ba ng fresh water? Tingnan natin. Talagang ano siya, pearl.
Yes, ma'am. You not say this, ma'am? Well, Almore. Yeah. Kasi yung plastic siya, ma'am. Mag-milk siya, ma'am.
Pag plastic
Yes.
nagme-melt.
Init na siya, ma'am. Pero hindi siya nag-milk, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, true.
At saka ganun ito, ma'am, oh. Hirap mo siya, pearl to pearl. Tapos yung pearl, ma'am, kirit ang powder, ma'am.
Nagpa-powdery, right?
Yes. Yan
Oh, yeah, true.
Ayun yung powder, oh.
Yeah. Lahat yan, pati small?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, how much is the small one?
This, and add.
Hmm.
Ma'am.
Sige, tapusin muna siya, kuya.
Sige, ma'am.
Yeah. Balik ako. Ayan, o. Punta tayo dito. Bili ako ng pearl kasi mahal yan sa Canada. Binili ako ni Dennis nung nasa Tasmania siya. Sabi ko, ba't ka bumili? Maganda yung sa Pilipinas. Kasi, well, hindi siya South Sea Pearl. Pareho lang siguro nito ni, hindi ko alam ano kaibahan ng ano eh. Pero mas pinakamaganda kasi yung South Sea Pearl. Yun ata yung binili niya or... Ay, ano nangyari dito? Ba't may security? Ano, nakichismis ako dahil. Totoo. Ano ba to? Oh, Crimson. Ay, teka. Tingnan natin kung anong resort and spa to. Parang hindi na ata pwedeng maglakad dito. Mga bata. Ay, konti lang tao dito, oh. Compared sa Movenpick. Yan sila, oh. Shangri-La ba to? Ala. Lampas na ako sa boundary namin. Ay, gaganda niya, oh. Meron siyang villa sa taas, oh. Siguro dito. Shangri-La nga to. Hanggang dun siya, oh. I think doon sa kabila, yung Crimson. Ayan. Tanongin natin si Kuya. Pero balik tayo doon sa Pearl. Gusto ko siya. nakatira akong pera. Babalik ako kay Dennis. Ay, cash nga pala siya. Wala kaming cash. Hindi ata nagdala si Dennis ng cash. Marami pa rin tao dito sa Movenpick. Anong inat si Kuya? Anong resort yun? Kuya, anong resort to?
Shangri-La yan, ma'am.
Shangri-La? Yung Crimson nandito?
po.
Ah, okay.
Bago gusto niyo mag-land tour, ma'am. Meron tayong activity.
Tanungin ko yung husband ko, punta kami dito, ha? Yeah. Kabalikan ko to si Kuya. Hindi pa tapos si ate. O, ayan. Ayan, pag gusto nyong magpa-picture dito, ayan, picture lang kayo dyan, tapos mayroon ditong ganito. Ayan. O, diba? Ganda. Ayan lang. Sige, balik mamaya ulit. Eh, ganang exercise to. May lumubog na. So, hindi na masyadong wavy. Kasi may mga naligo na eh. Ayun.